In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change element color in Adobe Express. First, open your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're already inside the design you want to edit, so you can see the canvas and the element you plan to update. If you're working on a graphic with several items, it can help to quickly identify the exact object you want to change before you begin. Once your project is open, stay in that same Adobe Express workspace and get ready to edit the design directly. This is where all your element controls will appear, and it's the easiest place to make color adjustments without affecting the rest of your project. Next, select the element you want to recolor. This could be a shape, an icon, or another graphic element. In this example, I'm using a shape, but the process is very similar for many editable elements in Adobe Express. When you click on the object, the editing options for that specific element should become available. If you don't see the right options right away, just make sure the correct item is selected. After that, look over to the left panel and find the Fill Color swatch. Click on it, and a color picker will appear. From there, you can choose a new color using the preset swatches if you want something quick and simple. If you need more control, switch to the Custom tab. That gives you more flexibility to choose a specific shade that better matches your design. You can also create a gradient if you want a more dynamic or stylized look instead of using a single flat color. This is especially useful if you want your design to feel a little more polished or visually interesting. If your element has a border and you want to update that too, you can use the same approach for the border color. Just find the border color option, open it, and choose the new color you want. This helps keep your design consistent, especially if the fill and border need to match or complement each other. And that's it. Once you've selected your element and changed the fill or border color, your design update is done. It's a very simple way to customize shapes, icons, and graphics in Adobe Express. And it can make a big difference in helping your project match your brand, theme, or overall style.